My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city.
Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yoyo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got a super cool meta trick by Thompson. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. As you can see, it ends in a super nice double green triangle. A couple things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by Yoyo UK. So you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So to start off with, you're going to roll into your basic trapeze. And then what I like to do is sort of grab the trapeze, but from this side. Like, so you see how my pointer finger's pointing towards me and pulling it open. Like that. And then I just roll in to that top string, putting it over my index finger. Like so. So once you've gone here, you're then going to separate these two strings, like so. And roll the yo-yo into the back one. Then you can pinch with your index finger and pointer. Or with your pointer and thumb, and this should sort of create a slack and the yo-yo. From here, I like to push this into the yo-yo like so, and unroll and then roll twice, so it should sort of be like a bang sort of thing. And then whilst you're unrolling, what you're trying to do is get that slack to whip into the yo-yo like so. It looks pretty hard, but it's not actually too bad. It's more so just like the speed at which you do it. The faster you do it, the easier it'll be.
My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city.
Anyway, from this like weird mount, you're going to pop up and then land on this front string here. Bang, like so. And then this is a really difficult part. So from here, you're going to pinch and let go of everything on your non-throw hand. Then you're going to roll around and grab this string here, and that should form a double green triangle. Go over it out one more time for you, because I know it's super confusing. So from here, once you've let go of the slack, this is the string you want to grab with your throw hand, this front string, or with your non-throw hand. And all you're doing is like whipping it over. Like, it's similar sort of motion to the brother slack like that, except from instead of like just catching it, you're just grabbing it and putting it into a green triangle. Anyway, from the double green triangle, you just need to pop out the front, and then you combined. And that is the whole trick. So yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you, then you can be on your merry way. So trapeze, pull apart, roll in, separate, roll in, drop, slack into the whip, pop up, and then double green triangle, which pops from the front. Then you combined. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So like, comment, subscribe, and all that nonsense. And yeah, peace.
My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I would be with you. The first time you said that you love me too, couldn't mess without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south to share a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but that's what it's all about. was from the city.